Boom! Panibagong araw, panibagong food and good vibes. And today mga ka-tipsy, may bago tayong let's say food and travel. So gagala tayo, samahan nyo kami. Ayan, kasama ng aking bunsong kapatid. Samahan nyo kaming mamasyal at kakain tayo ng iba't ibang masarap na pagkain dito sa
Welcome to Portland, Oregon.
Let's go! Welcome to
Oregon.
At ito na nga yung kapatid ko mga ka-tipsy, si PJ.
Hey, how's it going? Yeah?
PJ?
No, I think it's his jacket. I think it's his
Hi
jacket.
there,
Hey,
man. Tanungin natin yung kapatid ko ng pamatay na tanong. PJ, how's the weather here?
It's overcast right now, and you're gonna see some rain. So, but not like it doesn't rain heavily. It's very light rain, but all the time.
So it is always raining here?
Until like the summer, then the summer it's hot. Like when they visited last, it was very hot. We had the heat dome up here, so the temperature got up to like 115. That was pretty bad. 15, 20.
Picture daw. Sana pa sa tayo mga kapatid ko, malamig. Malamig pala dito ngayon. Yung San Diego, hindi sanay sa masyadong malamig. Sa San Diego kasi mga tipsy parang bagyo weather, yung malamig yung hangin. Pero may init. Mga tipsy, nagkatawid muna tayo. Ayan. At baka tapos kakain tayo dun dyan, oh.
Genie's? We're going to Genie's Cafe. I've never been to this place, but my coworkers all
recommended this? Okay. Yeah. So we're gonna try it? Yeah. Oh, hindi pa rin pala siya nakakain dito mga ka-tipsy. So surprise to kung masarap ba. Tikman natin. Yeah.
Graffiti.
Let's go. Junior said you should try the biscuits and gravy. Is it good, bro? Very good. At ayan nga, dahil maaga pa mga ka-tipsy, ang una natin titikmang pagkain dito is ang breakfast nila. Nirecommend ang place na to ng kasama ng kapatid ko sa trabaho, kaya susubukan natin at kape-kape muna tayo pampagising. This is our tour guide, the local here.
I'm sad right now.
Man, you mentioned about
seasonal affective disorder. Yeah, seasonal affective disorder is common up here in Pacific Northwest. It's the acronym is SAD, and it's, because of all the overcast weather and rainfall, you get like depressed. Yeah. She knows what's up.
She knows what's up. At ayan, dumating na yung mga order natin. Umuusok-usok pa mga ka-tipsy at napakabango, napakaganda ng plating. Simpleng-simple pero nakatatakam yung itsura. At ang in-order ko nga is itong biscuits and gravy kasi isa daw to sa famous dito. So dito sa plate natin meron tong 4 na prason ng biscuits at binuhusan nila sa ibabaw ng homemade nilang gravy. At meron din dyan yung preferred nating over-hard na egg. Tapos potato na may jalapeno and pepper. Napakalambot ng biscuits. Alam mong homemade din talaga yung pagkakagawa. Hindi yung frozen na in-oven bago i-serve. Madali naman ma-identify kung bagong gawa yung tinapay. Sa lambot pa lang ng texture at syempre amoy din. Kaya alam natin na itong sinerve sa atin is bagong gawang bread lang. First time kong tikman itong breakfast dish na to mga ka-tipsy at napakasarap talaga para sa akin. Yung gravy, napaka-creamy, hindi maalat. Hindi ko alam kung ano mga seasonong nilalagay nila pero tamang-tama yung combination. Hindi ko akalain masarap pala i-partner ang gravy sa tinapay. Dito sa Oregon, simpleng breakfast lang to pero para sa akin hindi simple yung lasa nito dahil talagang nakatatakam. Ito yung tipo ng breakfast na aaraw-arawin mo. Ay mga ka-tipsy, tapos na tayong kumain sa Genie's. First time kong kumain ng biscuits and gravy. Masarap palang isama ang gravy sa tinapay ma. Parang kasing weird para sa akin kasi siyempre sa Pilipinas mga kinakain natin sa gravy talagang kanin yung sinasama natin, di ba? Or meat. Yan. So masarap naman. Siguro sa Pilipinas pwede nyo try sa pandesal yun.
It was really good. Yeah. It was eggs, a bunch of meat. It was good. It's called a Philbilly omelet or Philbilly scramble. So yeah, scrambled eggs mixed in with I think it was like I know it's pork, but I can't remember which part. Like very fatty pork. It was really good.
I want to thank your co-worker who recommended the place.
Yeah, yeah.
Because the biscuits and gravy, I really like it.
Yeah, it was a good call.
Good call.
Yeah.
Thanks. Shout out to
Thank
you.
you. Yeah.
Ay mga ka-tipsy, ngayon nandito na tayo sa bahay ng kapatid ko. At ayan, yung nanay niya naghahanap ng dumi. Chinecheck ng Department of Health kung maliglinis ba ang anak niya. Ayan na.
This is yours, you bought it?
No, okay. There's someone.
PJ,
Love to hear.
he's checking already. She's checking, yes, she's inspecting already.
Yeah. See, I installed these.
Oh, that's nice. Bagong bahay niya lang kasi ng mga tipsy. Bagong bili niya lang.
Yeah.
Nice, man.
Perfect.
Nice place.
Yeah, it's freaking awesome.
Uy, wow! Uy, forest yung likod, oh. Dito masarap mag-vlog mga ka-tipsy, oh. Di ba? Mag-lechon dyan, oh. Pwede tayo mag-lechon dyan. we can make lechon there.
Yeah, if you want to make some lechon, yeah.
Yeah, right?
Maybe there's pigs back there too. I don't know.
There, we can do lechon there, oh.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Ayan, nag-inspect. Nag-iisip, yeah.
I know. I thought the first station.
Yeah.
You gonna put something in the top?
I can. Yeah.
After you clean for 24 hours,
Yeah.
she's looking for a mistake.
Yeah.
Yeah, ayun, naghahanap siya, na-inspect niya. Tinitingnan niya may alikabok yata. Mali yata yung pagkakalagay nito. Oh, sa taas naman tayo, tour.
Kailangan linisin.
Ayun na, may nakita na siya. Kailangan daw linisin yung rug.
Pero maganda ko.
Si mama ganyan niya, pag pupunta sa mga bahay, yung mga anak niya, tinitignan niya kung may madumi. At ito ang next stop natin mga ka-tipsy. Ito yung tinatawag lang Peacock Mansion. Sa taas siya ng bundok. So parang Baguio style, no? Tapos, di ko na, may makita ko mansion dun eh. Yun yata yung Peacock Mansion. Tapos overviewing niya yung buong Portland, Oregon. Ayan. Ayan, yung naglalakad. Sus, ano na ba? Hike pa. Ano na? What happened? What happened to your mom?
Too tired.
Ay mga tipsy, ngayon next stop natin, kakain ulit tayo kasi kanina brunch yun eh. Ngayon naman magdi-dinner tayo dito sa VG's Food Cartel. Si Madir gutom na naman kaya kakain na naman tayo. Ayun, tabi-tabi yung bus. Tapos may mga kiosk din, may mga parang cart. Ba't ibang cart, ang dami. So hahanap tayo kung ano bang masarap na kainin dito. Let's go! Parang wala akong nagugustuhan masyado dun sa area na dun mga ka-tipsy. Pero meron ako nakikita dito mukhang masarap eh. Yan, yung Philly cheesesteak nila. Ayun o. Parang yun yung gusto natin eh. Mukhang malaman eh. Tara mga ka-tipsy. Subukan natin to. Tikman natin. Let's go. So, ito tayo sa number 3. Philly cheesesteak. At ayan, pinaluto na natin kay ate ang order nating Philly cheesesteak. Mabilis niya lang naman prepare kasi naka-ready na yung mga ricado. Naka-order na tayo mga katibs. Ito na natin mga kapatid ko. If what they have, what do you have, Junior?
Chicken wings.
Oh,
Different flavors. Portland style.
I did it's called a Churrasco Italiano sandwich. It's Chilean cuisine. So it's a shredded beef sandwich. It's pretty good. Yeah, looks good. Oh, I think this might be like too spicy, but oh well, I'll live with it.
Diverse din ang mga pagkain dito sa Oregon mga katipsy. Galing sa iba't ibang bansa kahit iba't iba din ang flavor. Hindi lang siya basta American taste, you have a lot of options. Tulad nitong in-order nating Philly cheesesteak na 6-6 sa meat, 6-6 sa cheese, 6-6 sa seasoning para sa simpleng street food. Kaya tara, kain tayo. Try their Philly cheesesteak here. Pasado rin tong Philly cheesesteak nila sa ating panlasa mga katipsy. Alam mong good quality yung beef, thinly sliced kaya madaling kainin, tamang-tama yung pagkakaluto. Pati itong cheese nila is good quality din, hindi ko alam kung provolone to or mozzarella cheese. At itong Italian long roll na bread is crunchy outside and soft inside. Kaya pag pinagsama-sama mo, sabay-sabay mong kainin, nakatatakam din talaga. Kung titignan mo, parang simple lang itong street food nila dito sa area na to. Pero kapag kinain mo na, hindi simple yung lasa, hindi rin simple yung ricado. Talagang pinaghandaan, malinis, masarap. Pagkatapos namin kumain mga katipsi ay umuwi muna kami kasi syempre pagod tayo sa flight tapos naggala-gala pa tayo. Kaya kailangan na natin magpahinga kaya jump na agad tayo sa ating second day. It is our second day dito sa Portland, Oregon. This is my brother, still our tour guide here, the local.
Yeah.
And what are we gonna do today, bro?
We're going to Norton's Family Cafe right now, and then we're gonna go to Silver Falls.
Okay.
And I think that's the main thing. Oh, Brownsville. We're going down to Brownsville.
Okay.
We're just kicking it in Oregon.
Mga katipsi, breakfast muna tayo. Ano ma?
Tara, kain tayo.
Yo. Ano yun ma? Sumasakit na yung ulo ni mama kasi tumingin siya ng relo. Tumitingin ka lang ng oras, sumakit na yung ulo mo.
Eh kasi nga mo naman, matematik. Pati pa naman oras sa
Napahirapan ka pa.
Kailangan pahirapan ka pa. Pero digital, alam mo na kagad.
Sumakit yung ulo mo, sama.
Oo, isipin ko pa nasa phone na ba ito, nasa battery. Shit.
Isa na pala ako ba?
Leche sila lang.
After one hour, bro, right?
Yeah, 1 hour.
Yeah, after 1 hour na driving, nandito na tayo sa
Silver Falls.
Silver Falls.
Yeah.
Is this one of the tourist spot here?
Yeah. Trail of the 10 falls. Trail of the 10 waterfalls.
okay.
There's going to be a lot of waterfalls too, but we'll probably only see 1 or 2.
So we're gonna walk.
Yeah, we're gonna hike a little. Short hike, hopefully not too bad.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ayan, after natin kumain ng almusal, eto naman, magpapagutom tayo mga katipsi. Samahan niya kami maggala. Libutin natin tong, parang, this is like a forest, right? Yeah, it is. Yeah. So, parang forest siya kasi, dala ka ng puno. Junior, you're still young. Why are you using that?
Hey, watch. Get ready. You're gonna need this.
Are you Gandalf? The gray? You're in gray.
I'm Magandalf.
Magandalfo. I used to walking, my feet don't hurt.
Okay.
That space like, oh, shut up. She was like,
You walk around the midway and
Yeah.
your feet will hurt.
Would be like,
My feet.
Junior, you're right. It's cold now.
I told you.
Yeah. Yeah, malamig mga tipsy. Kanina, pagbaba namin, medyo okay pa eh.
I wish you had that stick now, huh? Told you.
Yeah, malamig yung hangin pag tawa mo sa mata mo parang may yelo. Pero tolerable naman. Alam mo, ready ka na?
Ready na, kailangan ko maabutan si Ramatan niya.
May tungkod pa siya eh. Mga tipsy, simulan na natin maglakad. Libutin natin itong
Silver Falls.
Yeah, Silver Falls at itong kagubatan dito.
Mga batis-batis daw.
Sabay tayo, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Let's go! Isa pa, 1, 2, 3. Let's go!
Yeah, I think let's just walk for like, let's start with 30 minutes and then we'll see where Mom is at.
Oh.
Mom, check this out. Look over here. Let's push it off, man.
Whoa!
How many falls they have here, you said, bro?
I believe 10. Yeah, the trail of 10 waterfalls. So yeah, it should be 10 here.
This is just the one of them.
This is the first one, yeah. South Falls, probably the most famous.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Maybe because this is the tallest one.
It's the one that you can walk behind. I don't know if it's the tallest one, but it's definitely the one that, yeah, it's most popular because you can walk behind it.
Oh! Yuko ka. Yeah, medyo mababa. Yuko ka mga tipsy para makarating tayo sa likod ng falls. And dito tayo sa likod. Malamig.
Maganda, malamig nga lang kasi siyempre nasa falls tayo.
Yan, lamig.
Malamig. Nag-taburing gloves. See? Taburing gloves. Malamig!
Yan, nangangatog na yung amoy ko yun.
Kaya nga.
Dulo.
Dahil
Yeah,
lang
pero ang ganda.
dito. Dahil lang dito.
Maganda naman eh, oh. Ganda nga eh, oh. Malamig yung tubig. Para sa kanya, hindi pa daw malamig yun. Hindi mo na kailangan magtinda ice tubig dito. Diretso inom na.
Yeah, I know, yeah, no. I said,
Dito naman tayo sa taas mga katipsi. Nandun tayo sa baba kanina eh. Ayan, nandun tayo naglakad, umakyat. Tapos ngayon, nandito tayo sa ibabaw ng waterfalls here. So, ayan, si Madir, nakaahon na siya sa hirap. Nakakita na siya ng bahay. Ano ma? Ay mga tipsy, nakabalik na kami dito sa taas. Sa akyat na, medyo nakakahingal lang. Pero masaya naman at enjoy kasi nature yung surrounding natin. Oops, teka na mga katipsy, bago tayo mag-outro. Syempre hindi pwedeng hindi tayo kumain. Kaya pagawin namin, nag-dinner muna kami. At ang sinuggest ng kapatid ko is itong medyo hidden na Korean restaurant. Kasi nasa isang Korean food mart siya, pero nasa taas at bandang likod ng store yung restaurant. Ang in-order ko is itong gamjajang. Si Mother naman is yung galbi. Meron din tayong chicken dyan. Syempre Korean style. At itong kay PJ, nakalimutan ko kung anong tawag dito. Paki-comment nyo na lang sa comment section mga katipsy.
So it's like a spicy noodle soup. It's glass noodles.
Looks good, man.
Yeah. Like a tonkatsu, like a spicy ramen soup.
Itong gamjajang mga katipsi, isa siyang famous na Korean soup na ang meat niya is yung pork neck, yung sa bandang likod or batok ng baboy. Ayan o, napakabango. Bagong serving, umuusok-usok pa. Spicy yan, syempre, pero tolerable naman, nakakagana. Kaya syempre, papartneran natin yan ng rice. To the person who recommended this to my brother, thank you so much. This is the best Korean food na natikman ko sa tanang buhay ko. Napakasarap mga katipsi, authentic, napakalasa, my favorite word, malinamnam, nakatatakaham. Gusto yun sa'yo, ma? Rice is rice. At dahil busog na tayo mga katipsi, bago tayo magpahinga, syempre, mag-outro muna tayo. Yun ang napansin ko dito sa Portland, Oregon. Mababait yung mga tao, mga tahimik lang. Tapos, more on nature vibe. Kaya yung kapatid ko, si PJ, gusto dito siya tumira. Kasi gusto niya yung mga ganun, yung tahimik, tapos mapuno. Ganyan. Nature lover kasi yan. Hanggang dito na lang muna siguro itong episode natin today mga katipsi. Pero, hindi pa dito nagtatapos ang ating Portland, Oregon trip. To be continued na lang natin at tuloy-tuloy pa ang ating food and travel. Okay, dito sa Portland, Oregon. Salamat sa mga umabot dito mga katipsi, pero hanggang dito na lang muna, and always remember, stay tipsy lang. Salud! Napauwi na kami mga katipsi, dumaan lang kami dito sa Brownsville. Kung familiar kayo sa movie na Stand By Me, hindi ko pa rin napanood pero kunikwento lang sa akin nila mga kapatid ko, ito yung scene na yun. Ito yung Brownsville.
Stand By Me. That's it.
This is the town. Yeah.
No, you see the bridge at the end?
Their journey of walking from one side of the street to the end of the street. And that's the end of the movie.
No, they're gonna go find a dead body that they heard about.
Okay.
And but yeah.
How old are you when you see the movie?
I don't know, 10 years old maybe.
Oh, okay.
Probably, yeah.
And that's the town, right? It's
Yeah.
one of the
it's
scenes.
Main Street, and then yeah, this is all part of Main Street. This is where a lot of the filming happens. This is supposed to be the town of Castle Rock in the movie. In the Stephen King universe, the town of Castle Rock is they film it here.
Oh, Stephen King wrote it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is a book by Stephen King.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Small town.
Yeah, very small
America.
town. Very small town.
The hike was over?
I think so, yeah. I think when they're hiking back into town.
Oh yeah!
Steel Bridge.
This looks like the bridge from It. And look at the bridge is so short. It looks like it's very long and